Need to fix FanDuel location problem? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily fix this issue. So the very first thing you want to do is move into the App Store. Inside the App Store, in the address bar, you need to search for FanDuel app. Move into this app. Right here, instead of open, if you see the option of update, then simply click on update and update the app. Most of the time, updating the app might also fix the issue. After that, you have to check whether your internet connection is working properly or not. Well, make sure that the Wi-Fi is strong enough. Or else you can also try using the cellular data. Once done, now the next thing you want to do is move into settings. Inside the settings, you need to head over to screen time. In this page, move into content and privacy restrictions. Head over to location services. In this page, you have to make sure that the location of FanDuel application is turned on. After that, you'll be good to go. So these are simple steps to fix the issue. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.